For this recipe, you'll need recycled peach, strawberries, ginger, lemon juice, and some white sugar. This is another fruit drink recipe. I'll put the link above. Yes, all you do is you put all of those recycled fruit up to the ginger is recycled. Put all of them in the blender, including the sugar and the lemon juice, and you just blend it until you're not really seeing any pulp anymore. Then you're going to strain it. It has some seeds in it because, as you know, strawberry is very seedy, so you have to get a fine sieve or a medium fine sieve, and you just use your spoon like you see me doing there. Use a spoon and you just mix it and mix it and mix it and mix until you'll see it getting down to a pulp. And there, I'll show you how it looks. Right, that's when it's properly mixed out. And then you're going to just stir it, and you're going to taste for sugar. Now you can chill it or you can pour it over ice. Look at it, it's so beautiful, and it was very delicious. Just a few ingredients. Now you know what to do with your stale fruits. Turn them into delicious drinks. Thank you for watching.